'06 Chrysler 300 C 5.7 Hemi having a stalling issue. Well, I bought the car about a month ago. Started stalling on me about a week ago. Thought it was the PCM. Started doing some research, messing around. Changed this is the purge valve solenoid. About 50, I think it was $50 from AutoZone. I'm on probably hour, close to 72 right now. No stalls. Clean out all them connectors. The connector's real dirty for that purge valve, and you should be good. If not, then it's probably your PCM. As you can see, as you can hear, she running good now.